Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CBP Home app, which is quite in discussion for various reasons. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, this is the time. Please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I have installed this app because this is available for free in your Google Play Store and also in Apple App Store. So this is the official app of the US Department of Homeland Security. So if you want to log in on this, you need to tap on login or sign up. Terms condition definitely read, and this is using login.gov to allow. So if you already have email ID and password, you can use that to log in. If you don't have, you're gonna go and click an account. So enter your email account, language, read. It's better to use better to read rules of use and then tap on submit. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna see you guys. So what happens, it sends a link to your email account. Once you click on it, it gives you the option to create your password. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, once you set up, you need to set up the secondary authentication. The most commonly used are face or touch unlock, authentication application, text or voice message that you get on your cell phone number, security key or backup code. The last uses backup code, so you can select any of these and then you can tap on continue. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so after the authentication method is set, this is giving the option: I am a traveler, departing traveler, broker, carrier forwarder, airline operator, bus operator, seaplane pilot, international organization. So if you're a traveler, what are the options you see? Please select the option provided for. So how you are coming in, land, sea. So let's say you're going by air or by land, whatever. So how you report your departure from United States by land to fulfill your I-94 requirements. Apply for I-94 in advance. Get my recent I-94. View my travel history. View my compliance. Date of arrival and departure. Check border wait time. Report my arrival. Okay, so I will go for these options at a later video, okay, because each of these will require departing traveler. If I select language, verify departure, view my departure, submit intent to depart, submit information, intent to depart. Wow. Broker, airline, bus, seaplane, international. So I don't have to go for these options. These are not for me. And for those individual options, I will definitely make other videos. So right now I'm ending this video about how to install and configure login. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.